Hey, it's Kate with WTI, and I wanted to tell you about my SafeRest pillow protector. So this comes in 3 different sizes. So on my pillow right now, I have the standard size, but it also comes in queen and king. So you just slip this over your pillow. You can put a pillowcase on top of it, but it keeps your pillow protected. So if you happen to sweat at night or you drool or whatever else you do in your sleep, this will keep everything off of your pillow. You can easily wash a pillow protector, but washing your pillow is not quite so simple. So it's made of this really nice cotton terry material, and it's completely waterproof. So I just love that. I think that, you know, pillows, they're not cheap. So when you buy a new pillow, you want it to stay looking new and white and fresh. So definitely pick up a pillow protector, whatever size you need. I highly recommend this brand. It also protects against dust mites, bed bugs. So if you're going to a hotel room, bring this pillow cover with you. Great option. And that's my point of view.